The next generation of the aircraft is come off the production line, including the Airbus A350 XWB, which is the extra wide body, the A320neo, new engine option, Boeing 737 MAX, MAX, Embraer E2 series, and the Bombardier C series will offer further improvement of fuel burns and emissions. Turboprop aircraft like the Bombardier Q400 and the ATR series can provide more fuel efficiency alternative to jet aircraft to cover shorter distance. Aviation has been successfully at decoupling emission growth and actual growth. Traffic growth is increasing at the rate of average of 5% annually, while the CO2, which is the carbon dioxide emissions, are growing around 3%. Newer aircraft like the Airbus A380 and the Boeing 787 consume on average less than 3 liters per 100 passengers kilometers, or more than 78 passenger miles per US gallons. This is a fuel use which compare favorably to that of compact cars, although aircraft travel much further distance much faster. When new aircraft use less fuel, aircraft can save a lot of fuel, hence will increase the airline economy. Manufacturers are increasingly using lightweight materials such as carbon composite to build aircraft and components. For the Boeing 787, Bombardier C series, and A380, they all use cutting-edge material and technologies to deliver exceptional gain in environmental performance. Engineers and researchers are also making incremental and frequent improvements that offer large saving overall. For instance, the wingtip device airline and manufacturers install on new aircraft increase aerodynamic efficiency and reduce fuel usage. Next-gen is a comprehensive suite of state-of-the-art technologies and procedures that, in short, enable aircraft to move more directly to point A to point B. This helps passengers reach their destination on time while reducing fuel burn and lessening our impact in the environment. The foundational infrastructures of the next-gen is complete with benefits seen across the entire national airspace system. The infrastructure includes the satellite-based system called Automatic Dependent Surveillance Broadcast (ADSB) that will replace radar as the primary means by which the air traffic controller tracks and manages aircraft. ADSB is a foundation technology that modernizes the national airspace from the ground radar system to satellite-based GPS technology. This satellite-based technology enables more efficient separation of aircraft and provide coverage where radar doesn't exist, like over the Gulf of Mexico and the mountainous terrain. Passenger comfort is the major design consideration at Airbus across all its aircraft families, and the company is particularly proud of its wide across section, which can afford airline 18-inch wide seat in economy class. Nevertheless, trend and the desire to meet passenger needs led Airbus to launch the extra wide seat for the A320 family. When passengers feel comfortable, they tend to fly again with the airline. More passengers equal to more money injected into the airline. More money means the airline can make increasing the airline economy. The use of fly-by-wire control with their optimized side-stick controller is a primary competitive advantage for Airbus. By giving a direct input through the electrical signals, commands are much more precise, enhancing overall safety. Furthermore, the control system monitors pilot command to ensure the aircraft is kept within the flight protection envelope. As a result, the pilot always can get the maximum performance out of the aircraft without running the risk of exceeding safety margin.